Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 1 Series headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a screwdriver. Make sure your car's engine is off and cool to the touch for safety. Then, open the hood and locate the rear of the headlight assembly you need to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. You'll likely need to remove a plastic cover or trim panel behind the headlight. Once that's clear, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Next, depending on your specific model, you might unclip a metal retaining spring or twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it. Take your time with these steps. With the old bulb accessible, gently pull it straight out from its housing. When handling the new bulb, it's crucial to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base and carefully insert the new bulb straight into the headlight housing. Ensure it seats correctly and feels secure before proceeding. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. Then, replace any plastic covers or trim panels you removed earlier, ensuring they click securely into place. Once everything is back together, turn on your car and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it's working properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.